everybody, this is Roxy. I was contacted by a company that makes these chalk makers. They're called FUNCILs. The original company is Charcola, or I should say the mother company, whatever. And I will put the link down below to these. They just asked me if I would do an unboxing and try them out, so that's what I'm doing. And after my little big announcement, I already had some videos kind of in the bank, and then this one came after my breast cancer video, so I thought I'd quick do this, and then the other videos I'll post now and then. There's a Dollar Tree haul, and then a crafting video. It's not a watch me make, but I just make some kind of collages to use like as tags or whatever in junk journals. Ruby and Pearl. I just love that girl. She's so good. So anyways, here's the chalk markers. And there's some, this is really heavy, this box. There must be a lot in it. Alright, so. Oh, I had some of these from Charcola. They were a little different. I don't think I have a testy pad. Okay, so these are water-based. I did some Charcolas a few years ago, and they seem to be maybe similar. Oh yeah, you gotta shake them with the point up. So I will do that to all of them. You shake them with the point up, and then you gotta tap the nib to get the air kind of flowing. So I'll be back. Okay. Maybe I'll start with a different color. Then I can see what I'm doing. I'm just getting the nibs opened up and it's kind of making fun little dots. That'd be cool if this would, if this dries like that, you could make your own enamel dots with it. That'd be awesome. That's like fluorescent. Okay, so that's how they... Different. It's cool though. So how they write is... Oh, I knew it. Scrubby's been working down here. He works at home Mondays and Fridays. He's been working down in my outlet. And he brings down fruit to eat and snacks. Now I got a little gnat flying around. I tell him, clean your stuff up. Spelled that wrong. They do right nice. I'm all ready for Christmas. Like, not literally, I have nothing made yet for my craft sales. And it's going to be crazy getting ready, I think. But I'm excited to see Christmas come. How about you guys? Are you doing sales? Who's doing sales? There's this one gal I was watching last year, and she does really cute stuff for craft sales, and I cannot remember what her channel was called. So, but she had a lot of really good ideas for, like, you know, like for notebooks for Christmas, or little stocking stuffers. These are cool. Yeah, these are fun. Alright, so the next box, I'll put these away for now. And I believe, obviously these are on work on a chalkboard, but I think you can use them on any surface. This is acrylic paper and it's textured. How does that work? They don't fit back in. There. So then, ooh, activity book. See, this is for kids. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at how fun. It's like bingo on steroids. I just cleaned out my junk drawer upstairs in the kitchen. And I was on a bingo craze a couple of years ago. I cleaned out my junk drawer. I got two junk drawers up in my kitchen. So this one I cleaned out. I had 5 bingo daubers, and I'm like, what was I thinking? I had to get this color, and I saw that color, and it was just dumb. But anyways. Shake well. Cap on, pointing up. Pressed, yeah, same thing. Oh yeah, and you can wash wash them off with a wet cloth or Windex. I'm guessing off surfaces that your kids or you. So these are pretty colors. I like the pearls. They're really pretty. I do this a bunch at a time. Maybe I'll do this and come back. Alrighty. Now we gotta do the same thing. Just press on it. I better have some coffee while I'm doing this. Can't do two things at once. I think this is gonna take a little while. What it does, it opens up the airflow so the ink comes down. I suppose I'll eventually fill in. It'd be cool if you could do big ones, like the whole surface. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah. Cute to make a dot picture. Oh, this is already. Oh, nice red. You're smart. Good job, red. I think it'd be fun to do like a bokeh Christmas picture. Okay. They're nice colors. It's a really pretty blue. So I started my radiation Monday. Today is Thursday. And so I had yesterday, this was the third one. The first one was the worst because I got to set everything up. And it takes a long time on this horribly hard bed. Or it's actually just a table. And then for me, they had to pull my arm up over my head. And I already have a dislocated shoulder from a little accident I had a couple weeks ago. And I was just panicking because it hurt so much I could barely stand it. And I think I was in that position for about 35-40 minutes. And at one point I said, how much longer? Because they said, just if you have any problems, just holler, we'll hear you. And I didn't hear anything back. And I'm like, oh my God, they left. You know, that's how your mind goes. And then she came around. She goes, we're almost done. We're almost done. But they're so nice. All these people are so nice to, you know. This is not working. Like the doctors, all the nurses, everybody. It's just, they're above and beyond. I can't believe it. And that helps a lot. Well, this is not working. I gotta shake it some more. It's ruining my dot picture. Oh yeah, so yesterday was the third day. And I was like, I'm so screwed up because since the day after my mammogram, I found out it's been appointments and calls and schedules and just nuts. And so yesterday I was like, am I like on number 7 or 8? Because you have to do 20 days of radiation and it's Monday through Friday. I'm like, no, dummy, you're on day 3. What are you thinking? Wishful thinking, that's why. But it's getting there. I mean, I haven't felt any effects yet. But they assure me that I will. So. And actually, my neighbor down the street, she just went through this same cancer. Except hers, she didn't have HER2, which is the one you don't want. It's the DNA. I don't know if it's DNA or what. I just, I'm like, when they talk. I don't need to know all the details because I don't understand it. I don't really want to understand it. I should. But she didn't have that, so she went through her 20 days and was good after her surgery. And it was funny. I said, well, did you get really exhausted? And she goes, no, not at all. And her wife goes, you were sleeping every day. It was so funny. She goes, I was not. She goes, Dart, you fell asleep every day at the couch. Or on the couch, whatever. So I thought that was funny. Typical, right? Oh, no, I'm fine. So we'll see. But then she didn't have to do chemo. So that's coming up on the 6th is my first chemo. And then it's 3 weeks for a year. Or every 3 weeks. Oh, that looks awfully close. Kind of close to the red. It's pretty though. There's more red. I think I'm going to make a bokeh picture. That'll be fun. I love that purple. I wish they all were lumen, that, what's going on here now? This would be a great little kit for Christmas kids. For kids at Christmas. Yeah, some of them are not as juicy. Alright, so I'm going to contact them, find out why this happens. And, I'll let you know. I'm going to do a bokeh picture too, though, so that hopefully will be coming up in a week or two. Thanks for watching. Bye.